So it was Donald Trump during his first term that spearheaded the idea that TikTok posed a national security threat by way of potentially collecting user data and dispersing it, but also by potentially controlling content users see to influence public opinion. This decision by the Supreme Court has now turned the TikTok ban into a political football. The Biden administration, which signed the law calling for a ban if TikTok's parent company didn't sell it to an American buyer, has said it won't enforce it.
They certainly don't want to take the political heat for shutting down a popular app. This is going to go over to the Trump team.
The Republican president-elect has changed his mind and is now in favor of keeping the platform where he has millions of followers, but he needs to find a way to circumvent the law that will go into place on Sunday, possibly by expanding the timeline to find a buyer or by asking his Justice Department to simply defer enforcement. That could pose a problem for tech companies if they keep the platform available.
The law penalizes the app stores like Apple and Google and the cloud service providers that host TikTok, up to a tune of $5,000 per each of TikTok's 170 million users.
This is a rare moment where Trump doesn't have full support within his own party, with many Republicans remaining concerned about Chinese ownership of the app. The threat of a shutdown has already started pushing people to other platforms, despite the same risk of data collection. This will now become an issue for Trump to deal with on day one after he's inaugurated, where the CEO of TikTok and China's vice president will be in the audience. Reggie Cecchini, Global News, Washington.